Hello YouTube, what's going on? Thank you guys for tuning back into the channel. Hope everybody's alright. So this is a short video just showing you the parts that we got for the computer. We got most of our parts at Canadian Computers. There's a list of the parts and the specs and the prices on there. So if you guys want to see how much it costs, you can go ahead and pause and look at the video, look at the prices, and check it out for yourselves. Anyway guys, once again, thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. Please drop us a comment down below and let us know what you think, and if you have any suggestions, drop it down there also. Peace.